Armies, hello! Kamusta po? Kamusta ang ating mga hearts sa isang pasabog for today? Yes, Live Nation Philippines released the ticket selling, ticket schedule, and any other information that we need for J-Hope's tour here in the Philippines. You can actually read all about it here on whenandmanila.com. So, syempre, in-announce pa nila yan ng mga tanghali ata or morning at talagang nagising yung diva natin, guys! So, for sure, you've seen the packages right here. And, specifically, this Hope package. Ayan. Diba? Kita nyo. So, the usual for like VIP packages, of course, they have sound check. Ayan, and all that. Pero, guys, dun sa Hope package, may send-off! Ulitin ko, may send-off! I don't know how are they gonna do it, but of course, for sure, familiar yung iba, you know, when you do send off, most likely you'll give or you'll have a chance na makita sila up close, diba? Either mag high five kayo, fist bump, or like magbabay lang up close and personal. So, etong send-off package na to, does this mean na we'll get to see or we'll have a chance to see J-Hope up close and then magbabay tayo sa kanya, which is I mean, like, the idea itself pa lang, para OMG, parang pag-iipunan ko talaga to ng bonggang-bongga, cause who wouldn't want to see J-Hope up close? Diba? I mean, grabe talaga. Send off, let's go!